Hello everyone. Today we are here at CPJ Mega Job Fair 2026 where 85 plus companies and more than 1500 participants have participated from 190 plus colleges. The energy over here campus is absolutely amazing. The representatives and the students are well connected for career opportunities. So right now we are going to enter various interview rooms where representatives from various leading companies are interacting with these students for giving the opportunities to them for their career. Thank you. Good noon to one and all. I, Sonali Tyagi, Assistant Dean Academics, welcomes you all to the CPJ Grand Mega Job Fair event 2026. Sir, can you please introduce yourself and your company?
Sure, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you first of all for inviting us to this campus drive. So my name is Hemant Kumar. I am the part of talent acquisition team at Muthoot Group. So our corporate office is in Alaknanda, South Delhi. So we have altogether 28 departments who sit there and with an employee headcount of 350 who operate from that corporate office. From the corporate office north, we take care of north, east and western part of India, where we have more than 2,500 branches which we cater. We also have 30 regional offices spread across north, east and west. If we talk about Muthoot Group, we are a kind of Indian conglomerate because apart from India, we are present in altogether 7 international destinations. And if we talk about our presence, we have more than 7,500 branches spread across length and breadth of India. Then we have our head office in Kochi, Kerala, and we have another corporate office in Bangalore also. From Bangalore, team manages southern part of India. As I told you, we manage north, east and west. So Bangalore team takes care of southern part of India. And we have our employee count of around 53,000 as on date. And we are, if we talk about our AUM, we have more than 1,50,000 crore AUM as on date. So we are the upper layer NBFC. We are the first choice company when it comes to gold loan, and we are the most preferred company when it comes to gold loan segment. So there are other competitors also, but we are the pioneer and leader into this segment, and we have a legacy of more than 800 years as of now.
That is such a privilege for our students to get selected for your company.
Same here. Same
Yes, yes, sir. So, as you have already interacted with our students, so how far, how was your experience with them?
So to be honest, I found all these students very competent, and they were, would say that they were clear about the concepts. Whatever they have studied in their curriculum, they had a brief understanding about whatever was covered in their curriculum. They were presentable. They had good communication skills. Since you are aware that today we are hiring for our branch roles where the person will be interacting directly with the customers.
Okay.
So presentation and communication is very important for this role. And I'm happy to say that all the students whom we interacted were at par and they match our expectations. And I would like to add that we are able to select more than 20 students today, and very soon they will be a part of Muthoot Group.
Definitely. So, sir, as you have already interacted, so what sort of advice would you like to give to young minds to, get a job in the today's competitive world?
So one thing I would like to advise to all the students that they should spare time and try to learn more about the technology, because AI is playing a very important role these days.
Definitely.
So we always suggest to students that they should have a detailed understanding about AI also, because today's scenario, HI along with AI will make a difference.
Definitely.
Right? So that's why we also advise students to go for various internships. Whenever they get the opportunity, they should participate in internships also, because it will give them the practical knowledge also.
Definitely.
And also make them industry ready.
Definitely.
So this will be a mix of academic plus
As well as practical
practical experience.
Right. So, sir, how do you find the overall arrangement and management of such a grand event at CPJ campus?
Your hospitality was great. So the faculty is also very good. The placement team also came and visited us at the entrance of the campus only, right? And all the arrangements were good.
Thank you so much. It means a lot, and we wish you continue the successful recruitment process ahead.
Sure.
Thank
we
you, sir.
would love to be here next time out.
Definitely, and we also would love to, invite you again.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.